Here's how to add an announcement bar on Shopify. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can add your own announcement bar and how you can customize it. So in this video, I'm going to exactly show you how you can make or add an announcement bar, and there are many ways on how you can customize it. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know the step-by-step method on how you can do this. So as you can see right now that I'm in the main Shopify dashboard and I have a trial plan. And it's only for 3 days. You can use it too, but yeah, I would suggest going for some plans too, because if you're really into Shopify, I think you should use any paid versions for it. So yeah, without more talking, so let's just jump into it. So as you can see that I have an online store right now, and let's say you want a announcement bar in your store but you don't have it. So how do you add it? First of all, just go to online store. You'll be in the home. Just go to online store, and in themes you'll find this option called customize. Once you press customize, it will bring you to up right over here. So as you can see that I already have an announcement bar. It's already telling us that I have a announcement bar. So let's say if you don't have it, so you can just basically add it by pressing on the plus icon, and then it will show you the option of add section. So once you press on add section, as you can see, it's already have an announcement bar. If I press on it, I'll have two different types of announcement bar. So here's the first one and here's the second one. So if you didn't have it, there you go, now you have it. Now let's just check out its customizations. So there are like a lot of customizations that you could do in it and change how it looks. So first of all, I'm just gonna press on scheme for edit. And here I can change its background color, text color, solid button background, solid button label, outline label, and shadow. So let's just try some different colors with it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna change this to some sort of purple. Yeah, it will look good.
Yeah, really just need to just
And what I'm gonna do is, yeah, so here we go. I've made this purple. Now I'm gonna change the text color to, I'm gonna change the text color to black. And now we have a black text color in it. So I'm just gonna change the solid background button. Let's say we want it in red. The solid background button won't be that visible, but once other people see it, they will be able to see it somehow. But yeah, I think the red won't go with the theme. I'm just gonna use blue for it. And then we got solid button label. So it's up to you what color schemes you want to use in it. And outline button, it should be purple as well. Yeah, it should be some darkish purple color. And I think we're done with the editing scheme. I'm just gonna go back and press change right over here. So here are some pre-made schemes. This one's yours, and this a few ones made by Shopify itself. If you don't like yours, you could just use these. So then we got social media icons. So you can basically add or show icons on the desktop. It's up to you if you want to add on announcement bar. And then we got auto rotate announcements. So you could rotate the announcements like however you would want to. And here comes the seconds for how much seconds you want to change the rotations. I really don't want to change the rotation settings, but if you're really into it, you could just go ahead and change it. And then we got country region selector. So here you could just add a country or region. So how do you add a country or region? So adding a country or region is very easy. So you just need this market, and you could just basically add market to your country region, and it will basically show the country region in your announcement bar. But I'm not really interested in showing my country/region on my announcement bar. But yeah, if you're really into it, I mean, sure, just go ahead and get into it. And then you got language selector. So here in language selector, it's basically the same thing that you could add your language selector in the menu bar. So I've seen a lot of people adding language selectors to their menu bars. So first of all, you will have to have a Shopify Translate and Adapt. So how do you get this? So just go ahead and get from the store. So let me find the store apps in, yeah, there we go. So Shopify, what was it called? Yeah, Shopify Translate and Adapt. So we're just gonna get to it. Yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna install it. So in our announcement bar, it could be very useful. I'm just gonna press install to install it. You could do the same to make your announcement bar as best as possible. So here you get many options, just like collections and many other type of stuffs. But yeah, you can just add your languages, and here, as you can see, that you get many options, just like collections and products, even online store, and then blogs, blog titles. So it really depends on you what type of things you want on your store, and you could just basically set up your translate and adapt right over here. So yeah, once you're done setting up your translate and adapt settings, all right, then we got theme settings. So here in theme settings, you could basically add the links of your social media. So remember I told you that you could add icons to your desktop, and it's as simple as that you could add your social media to your announcement bar, and it'll just randomly pop up. So you could add a Facebook link, an Instagram link, or YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Pinterest, or Snapchat, and even Tumblr and Vimeo. So yeah, it's really up to you what type of links you want to add. So adding the links are very easy. Just go to YouTube. So I'm just going to show you this example. Just copy the link and press paste. Once you press paste, as you can see, a link has been uploaded, and it will show up on my announcement bar. So then we got custom CSS. So we really don't want to change stuff with custom CSS, because custom CSS is very a whole lot of different stuff. But if you go to theme settings, it will just basically show all these different types of stuff. Just like you could add logos, colors. I told you color schemes already, and then typography. So you could change the typography how you would like to, and there are many different types of typographies. So it's up to you what type of typography you want to select for your announcement bar. And as you can see that I have changed, and I can pretty much use any type of typography or font on my announcement bar to make it look better. So I'm just gonna choose this one to make it look cleaner. And then we got assistant, and then the layout. So you could basically change the layout however you want. And then we got animations. You could add animations to your announcement bar, and then buttons, and then variant pools, and then inputs. There are like many options for the customizations, however you want to add. And then here we go, the social media section I told you earlier about, that you could add your social media to them. And then search behavior, then currency format. I mean, there are many different types of stuff that you could do with it. That's what I'm trying to tell you, that you could add it to your whole announcement bar, and people would really put their stuff into it and appreciate the work that you put it on your announcement bar. And once you have added the announcement bar, it's like very cake after doing every single step to it. So I hope this video is very helpful to you. But yeah, as you can see that in the announcement bar, you could just keep on adding more and more announcement bar to it, and you could just basically view it and do stuff to it. And another thing that I wanted to show you, that you could change the text of your announcement bar too. So here, as you can see, is telling us the welcome to our store, but I don't like it. I want to change it, so I'm gonna put in something 50% discount. I'm just gonna press save, and it won't change effectively because it's not gonna show until I do some sort of setting to it and wait. And as you can see, it literally changed, and now my announcement bar has a setting to it. So it will just keep on reflecting to 50% discount, and then welcome to our store. And here you can basically do more types of customizations and rotations to it. So I want rotations every 3 seconds. All right, I just did it, and I press save. So let's just check it out again. So if I press preview, as you can see that I have added a custom announcement bar on top of and down, and there's another one that I could change, and here's my 50% discount text that I added. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can add an announcement bar to your Shopify store. So I hope I helped you guys out and this video was helpful. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe to my channel. Until then, peace out.